3.
Hi, good morning. My name is Faizal Samini. I am with DG Photo, and I introduce to you this DG Photo bird with the name of Isaac. Okay.
Isaac.
In my hand, the thing on my basket. Haven't finished. Okay. In a few months' time, okay, we're doing bird photography, and for now we are having a training. And you see, this is
9 days time.
Sorry?
9 days time.
Oh, 9 days time. I'm so sorry. 9 days time. It's my mistake. This is Dash, the trainer. Say hi, Dash. Please introduce yourself.
Hi.
Okay. It's my bird. No.
Your
I
bird.
mean DG Photo bird. She's the new trainer.
Oh, you see the oh.
Tapi boleh ikat lagi. Sayang. You nak makan tak? You penat? You penat?
Tired.
Dia nak
Alah.
air tak? You nak air ke dia nak makan?
Nak tidur.
Dia nak tidur? Tidur
Tak tahu.
Who is fierce? Both.
Tengok.
this one naughty. I'm good.
I'm innocent.
I'm good. Yeah, I'm good.
Good your head.
I'm even better. I'm innocent.
This one,
Yeah.
Sari here. You know who? Sari.
Sorry. What?
Remember the Halloween?
Yeah, this one the devil, right?
Yes.
So Sari come only a bit. Remember Sari was like so sad.
Like Megamind saya.
Apa?
Megamind.
Ambil gambar. This one ambil gambar ke?
Tak. Nak ambil gambar?